saying a black lie, a white lie to the nation of Kenya. That the price of maize has gone up because of Raila and the Grand Coalition government. That they're the ones who messed up the price of maize, and that what is happening here in 2017 is a continuation of what was started another time. How more untruthful can you be? The price of maize which went up in 2011 cannot affect the price of maize in 2017. And when there's a shortage of maize, we imported maize directly with Mwai Kibaki. And when Ruto tried to tamper around with the maize, I fired him. Remember I fired Ruto? Remember I fired Ruto? It's Kibaki who reinstated him, isn't it? So we were saying that Jubilee has failed totally to manage the economy of this country. Jubilee has failed flatly to manage the economy. They are now looking for excuses.